Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. You lovely lot. Where are we?
Good morning, you lovely lot. Good morning. Stratford butterfly.
Stratford upon
I
Avon.
want to kiss them.
Butterfly Farm is where we are.
I want to kiss them.
You want to kiss them? Go on then. Kiss them. Big kiss. Thanks. We're all in a very good mood. Wow, that's really tall.
We're not going on that.
Well, Ozzy wants to go on it and Emily wants to go on it. So if we do, you'll just have to watch us from the bottom. Looks exciting.
Why don't you take Emily and Ozzy?
Well, I think Jackie might want to come on too. Jackie's going on, is she?
I'm
Yeah.
guessing you're not.
I am. You'll have to sit at the bottom and watch us from down below.
Yeah,
I don't even know how much it is, to be honest. Should we go and find out? There's a big sign here that says, in these public toilets, saying, please help us keep the toilets clean and tidy, use the bins provided, keeping us all safe from COVID-19 and other illnesses. And I was just commenting on the fact there is no soap. And several people have written, please could you add soap? Soap is needed, August 23. There is no soap in any of them, is there, Roz? Seems to be an ongoing issue by the look of it. Soap is needed. Jackie is in the corner, in that door behind there. Oh wow, these are cool. Are you up there, Oz? Are you in there? Oh, you look so tall, Oz. Yeah. You look so tall. You look so thin.
Look, our feet are there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, lavender smells lovely, doesn't it? Look at all these beautiful plants. These are brilliant for butterflies. Oh, Jackie, that's a nice plant. I like that.
That one is gorgeous, isn't it?
Where butterfly is?
So this is the admission prices for the butterfly farm.
Where butterfly is?
So what is it? We need one adult, three
like
children?
two.
No, I think.
I
And they do student discount. Excellent.
Hello,
Harry's just shown me this photo here, and it's the butterfly wings and how they're made up of tiny membranes supported by the veins underneath. Thousands of scales. I had no idea. Yeah, we leave that one. I don't think it's feeling very well. I wonder what type that one is. Where? Oh, it's just flown past me. Do they keep flying past? Oh. It's behind me. They were behind me. Can you see them? Where is it? Is it landed on Jackie?
Yeah.
Did it land on you?
It landed on Charlie.
Oh, it's because Charlie's so bright. They're going to make new ones.
They're mating, so the female will go off and lay eggs.
Yeah, Mum, can I see eggs?
Well, we can't. They're making the eggs now. It's a baby.
There's a bigger one up there.
Wow, I wonder what these will turn into. Do you think they'd turn into one of... Where is it? This one?
Maybe.
Or one of these, maybe?
Oh, there's a big one down there. I don't know. Why did Sky not come, Pippa?
Sky's gone to her auntie's.
It was black.
That's one of those ones that was mating, isn't it?
I think
This one's beautiful, Jackie.
yeah, that's the one I was trying to show you.
Oh, right.
It's the one Em spotted, wasn't it?
It's massive. It's like as big as my finger, look.
They are very hungry caterpillars.
What were these?
Caterpillars.
Emperor moths. What will they look like? Do you...
I'll show you a picture. I don't know
Thank
any,
you.
Come by.
bigger than moth.
Wow.
Oh, they're moths.
Yeah, it's a moth.
Look.
Oh, I didn't see them.
Insects on here. If you'd like to have a hold of a stick insect, you can.
Do you want to put your hand up and hold it?
Today.
Oh, Pippa would like to
A
hold
nice
it.
flat hand is the best
Oh,
way.
Emily is nice and brave.
I want.
Yeah,
You
so
want
go
to?
for a walk.
Wow,
Oh, can I hold one?
Move your hand away
Please.
from the log, that way it won't climb back on. There you go.
Butterfly.
there is a butterfly.
Great job, guys. That's it.
feels
Nice
so
and
weird.
gentle.
Wow, Harry. Do you want to get a picture of you?
Yeah, I like you, Harry. I like you.
Does like you.
I like holding caterpillars.
You like holding caterpillars, do you?
I don't like holding them.
You don't.
I like holding. I like
You're
holding,
beautiful.
I like holding green caterpillars.
Green caterpillars you like, do you? Could I hold the boy, please? Thank you. Oh, you could just feel... In fact, you barely feel him. He won't hurt me,
No,
no.
you can't hurt at all.
You barely feel him, Ozzy.
It's lost a bit of its antennae. It's got one shorter than the other.
Sometimes they nibble each other by mistake.
What breed are these?
These are sunny stick insects.
Sunny. They have a sunny disposition.
This one's antennas are tiny.
Oh, they are, aren't they?
They come from Sungaya Mountains in the Philippines, which is where they get their name Sunny from.
Oh wow. Yeah, because they're not very like bright, are they?
No.
You know, you wouldn't think they were like.
Fell. They can like stick in your finger. That one.
Yeah, they've got tiny little claws that you can barely even see that they hold on with.
This one almost fell off.
He's just resting.
Yeah, he's like,
Isn't he beautiful?
he's not sleeping.
He's just sleeping. Yeah. Can you see he's got a slight bit of damage to his wing just there?
Yeah.
I think one looks like.
Oh look, I need one of those as a clip in my hair.
It's on your head.
On
It's
my
on your
head.
head. It's on your head.
I have to make
Look.
sure I don't take it home with me.
Look on your head.
He's very beautiful.
I said I'm going to put a big yellow bow in your hair.
It looks a bit like a cinnabar, but not. That must be a monarch butterfly as well. Yeah, monarch caterpillars and monarch butterflies, Jackie. Are you feeling very relaxed there, Harry? You look really happy and chilled. Pardon? You want them to land on you? I know, I should have made you wear yellow, sorry. Can you see, he's got his proboscis out.
Hibiscus.
Yeah, see the long tongue, it's called a proboscis. And he's getting the nectar from the plant.
I think that one's about to be.
Can you see this one's got a curled up proboscis? Can you see it's all curled up underneath? Can you see the curliness though underneath?
Hey, look at that one.
These are all of the ones waiting to hatch, Ozzy.
See this one, he's just come out. This
Oh, is
one
he just-
here, we've watched him just,
Have you watched him come out?
yeah, forced his way out with his
Wow.
legs.
Ozzy, look. See how he's all crumpled up still? He's got to sit there and dry.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice colours, like greeny browns. That one would be a good colour. I think it must be very tiring when they, yeah,
Yeah, I like that caterpillar.
lovely, isn't it? Pretty colours that one's going to be.
Caterpillar.
I like this tree. This is lovely. Oh, it's so soft. Do you think it's going to be really prickly? But it's not. What have you found? Oh my goodness, that is stunning.
That one was so close to me. That one
These little I love the shape of his wings.
reminds me of Shadow the Hedgehog.
A shadow the hedgehog, does it?
Only the red and black.
Oh, yeah.
Can't you like that
No, we can't hold them, but doesn't it look cool? Black spiky one.
Oh, I just
Oh,
got.
has it just got, what colour was it?
I think it was like a black, brownish black.
Browny black one.
I can't.
Are
tell.
you having fun, Harry? Do you like it here? Do you? I think you love it.
Fine, in the middle.
We've just found some of the owl butterflies that look like owl's eyes. There's a beautiful little red flower down there.
Look how big that one is.
So there, you want to hold the bag, Oz?
Stop eating all the food.
He's a massive fish.
He needs to stop eating all the food.
Yeah. I think Daddy's fished bigger fish than him, hasn't he?
Yeah, but that's still some big fish. Look at that guy. Yeah, the red one. Look at them big goldfish.
Wait, the butterflies are butterflies.
They're butterflies.
I like that part.
I think they're called purple morts, I think.
My finger.
Yeah, it's landed on Harry. There we go. This is the ultimate bug hunting for Ozzy, and we all know how absolutely obsessed with bugs Ozzy is at the moment. This is his favourite thing in the world is bug hunting. Yeah, he's got his little leg hanging off. The mini beast metropolis. Next on our list. Ozzy is trying to avoid the big blue butterflies.
Come on, don't kill me.
He's not going to kill you. It's a bit dramatic. See if you can see it. Oh, there he is.
Those are one of the young ones.
Here it is. Look, it's just a different colour to axe.
Oh, they're native to this one.
Ozzy, look, come here. They're cutting them. Can you see they're cutting the leaves? Ozzy, see there? They're chopping them off.
See, Layla, come here. They're cutting bits of leaf off.
Right, now they're going up this piece of rope. Can you see the rope, Ozzy? And you see them carrying the pieces. Ozzy, where's the nest for them? In there? Oh yeah.
They come down the road, up the road and then down.
But they don't eat the leaves. They make it into like a fertilizer.
I'm about to show you the huntsman spider. You ready?
If you don't like spider, click off now.
Yeah. There it is. There, Roz. On the log.
Pull.
What have you boys found?
A Mexican red knee tarantula.
Okay, we're
I
ready.
want one of these so badly.
You want one of those?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll pass on one of those. Look, come and look at his eye close up on my camera screen, Harry. Oh, wait for it. He's going to look at us.
Look at that snake.
Look at that beady eye.
He's got a real beady eye. Look at the way it dilates. They are super cute.
They're yellow spotted willow turtles.
Oh, they are turtles, not terrapins.
What's terrapins?
A terrapin is, it looks a bit like that, to be honest.
Listen.
Oh, a lizard.
Band.
What is he? A green
It's a green ballast.
basilisk.
Ah.
And then we slide down the glass.
You can't go in there. No, Howie, don't go in there. Don't go in.
I would love to go on that water. Pippa, I would love to swim in that
I
water.
would too. Wouldn't that be amazing?
I think there'd be a crocodile here.
Here come the fish.
Maybe a crocodile.
A crocodile in there.
Yeah, it'd be good if there was a crocodile.
Don't go in there, Howie.
Looks like there should be. Can you see a crocodile anywhere?
No.
No. Oh, there he is. He's over there. See the crocodile?
Yeah, don't go in there, Howie.
There he is, having a sunbathe. So these partridges are Raoul partridge. They pair for life with males and females caring for their young. And here they come, look.
Yeah.
It's a partridge. There's blue and red over there, is there? Go try and catch it, please. That's it. Oh, look at the size of this butterfly. Oh, there's a thermometer. Tells you how, no, you can't take it out, sweetie. It tells you how hot it is in the room. Look at the big spider. Jackie, I've got my eye on you. Harry, I'm watching you. Ozzy, I'm watching you. Hi. How are you? We are worms.
Make a pair.
Oh. Hello, I've got a bit of a funny mouth.
It's a whole labyrinth.
It's a whole labyrinth thing going on. Oubliette, up or down? Which way do you want to go?
She goes down.
She chose down.
I've been so good.
You've been so good, Jackie.
So good.
Jackie, can you help me a bit?
I can help you if you like. Jackie wants a Jackie help.
Thank you. Good, Jackie's good.
Oh, careful.
No,
They are a bit hot, sweetie. Yeah.
blow it down me.
Okay.
blow down with it. Bye, Harry.
Oh, this seemed like such a good idea at the time. Okay, just don't look at that bit. That bit's quite horrible.
Harry.
Pippa, it's fine.
How did that go, Jackie? Oh, it goes roundwards as well. I don't like the roundwards. It's like,
Wow, don't we? Oh, look, we can see for miles and miles and miles.
oh.
I've got a funny feeling in my food.
What was that?
I've got a funny feeling in my food.
In my food. I know, I haven't got that, but I'm glad I'm not the only one that gets a funny feeling in my food when things like this happen. It's when people go fast in cars, I get it in my food too.
Harry.
Can you see Harry down there?
Yeah, Harry is sitting down there because he didn't want to come on.
That's a bit close to the door. We are at the top.
How many times do we go round, do you think?
No, we've got people's phone in it.
Jackie's making a spin. This is not the waltzers. This is so we can get a better view.
Stop. There you go.
Is this so we could get a better view, was it, Jackie? Oh, look, the mechanics. I do hope we get more than just one rotation.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's quite good. Hi, Harry! He did not fancy doing this. He was the sensible one.
Hi.
Hiya. Right, he says he wants to find a way across the river. Could we find a way across the river while we're here, he said.
Bridge there.
That bridge. Is that the bridge he was talking about?
Ah,
Might have been.
does he not like height?
No, I don't think he does like heights.
I know, wee.
Well, you need a wee-wee, do you?
I don't want to jump down.
No, unfortunately, the wee-wee needs to wait, okay?
Anyway.
Good.
I still like that.
Hi. Right, are you going to throw it down to him?
Any animal who might trouble it. He could. Am I shaking?
You could try and stroke him.
Nibble me.
There you go.
Just hello.
Charlie.
Charlie downstairs.
Hi.
I'm sorry. Oh, hello.
Looks like Dorothy, doesn't it?
Right,
Oh, you're trying to get your legs.
they don't have
You look like my Dorothy.
They have feet. Kiss them.
I don't think they'll let you kiss them, no.
Only trained ones can do that. Jack.
That is what you call a bevy of swans, apparently. We've been Googling a bevy.
Step back, please. You're getting too close.
I never will.
There's someone fishing.
That's what I want to do.
Yeah, should have brought your rod. I'm wondering if that's some sort of millennium disc or something there.
Bait. I don't have any bait.
That's all right, I'll use you as bait. Throw you in.
What are baby geese called?
Warwickshire Fire and Rescue Service. That's what it is. To protect and serve the community.
Baby
Well, now have
swans called.
Baby swans are cygnets.
Cygnets.
Sorry, what was that? Oh, it's a clock.
Guess so. Sundial.
Sundial, maybe. And yeah, it's probably, if we had some sun, it might tell us what date it was, like what month, what.
Like, do we have to stand here then?
Greenwich Mean Time is that way. For now hath time made me his numbering clock. That's really not what I just read that as.
Numbering cock.
Whoa, it's that sort of time, is it?
Is that how you actually measure it? You need to get somebody down without
Yeah.
a numbering cock.
Yeah.
To lie down. So it casts
So it's going to cast a shadow. Sorry, not good enough. Must grow bigger. This is education by us.
Yes.
Historical, factual education by us.
Yes. The whole educated nanny.
Yeah. I'm not going to teach that one to the kids. I don't think it's true. We've decided to walk into Stratford and have a little look around. We're actually looking.
Food.
We're actually looking for a pet shop to see if we can get some bird seed. Yeah. We want to feed the geese and the pigeons.
And
So-
the ducks and the
Well, I didn't see any ducks. Were there ducks?
Perfect place you will never find lunch.
Well, there are ducks.
Where's
Oh, anyway, there's so many beautiful old Tudor buildings in Stratford. It's such a stunning place. Look at this one, for example. Look at that, Harry. Tudor.
It looks like an easy
See, experience the past at Tudor Worlds. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Bless you. Those old buildings, look. Look here. They are, look. Look down there. Beautiful old buildings. You see how beautiful and old this looks? The gargoyles. This lorry is kind of ruining the view a little bit, but they've got different patterns on the outside. And then the carvings, yeah. Now, there was a place I went to when I first got Spog. Stand there, Roz. And the carvings on the buildings were absolutely amazing. I spent a lot of time just walking around looking at the different carvings on the wood. Such a shame that lorry's there.
We're sightseeing, Harry. Sorry.
We are just heading up here where we will find Shakespeare's house. I don't know if he actually ever did live here. They say he did, or it's believed he did, but I don't think there's anything definitive to say that he did actually live here. But either way, the buildings are stunning and very old. This is where he was born. Yeah, because you can pay to go and have a look round, but I think we've spent enough money today.
He was a storyteller.
Yeah, he wrote all sorts of stories.
Yeah, he wrote stories and he told stories, and they became famous for a very, very, very long time.
Oh, look, you can see what it's made of. Look, the wattle and daub up there. Yeah, can you see how the walls are made inside? They're not made of brick.
You see that? They're not made of brick.
Can you see how Oz up there?
Stuff.
Yeah, look at the shield. It's a pen.
My legs are killing me.
Love these old doors. Yeah, the horse poo was what kept it together. It was the best bit. Hair. So what do you think?
Filming me.
Well, we were just going to say the wattle and daub. The stuff in there that's between the wattle. The wattle is the sticks, but the other bit, Harry, is all made of poo and mud. Yummy. And someone had the job of putting that between all those sticks.
Yummy.
Yeah, mixing it up, stomping it in. Yeah.
together.
Would you like that job of mixing the pooey cement up? The daub. You want to have that job? Mixing up the poo and the mud. No. All year round Christmas shop. Got to be done in the middle of August. Well, actually, it's the end of August.
Smells like Christmas.
Well, you'd think so. It's a Christmas shop. Oh, a feather boa suits you. You need that. It's nice, isn't it? Pretty, aren't they? Can you see the robins and the birds? There's some robins down here. And there's a bird there. Oh, that one, it might be a robin. Could be like a snowy one. Those are robins with their red tummies. Look at the wands. I solemnly swear I will not touch the wands. Thank you.
I don't want to touch them so bad.
Oh, look. Oh, that's a cool bag. Look at this Harry Potter bag.
I already got a Harry Potter bag.
I like that. Look, that's a snitch for Quidditch.
Don't touch glass.
And Niffler. And Hedwig.
I wonder if they have one of like jelly bean things.
I don't
They
know.
have.
Jelly beans are over here.
Jelly beans. Bertie Bott's jelly beans. Tears of a Wizard.
What if you can drink them?
Yeah. Cool. Potions. Look, I like that water bottle. Dobby is a free elf.
Ice cream.
Yeah, you put ice cream in with cream soda. You know what that's
Say, Shakespeare, can you tell me a story, please?
I love this. Does anyone want some of this?
No, we've got time.
We will. Ozzy will want some. Please.
Oh, they coming.
Can you make sure you step back, Harry, away from the edge, please? Thanks.
Yeah. love us.
They do. We've stolen all the birds. Can I have some in my hand, please? Ozzy, not at people. Can I pour some into my hand, please? Thanks.
They like that.
Here you go. Okay, now they do have sharp beaks. They got bigger beaks than the geese.
If they do this, they will grab my hand. I'm scared at first.
Right, listen, this has got peanuts in it, so don't touch Jackie after you've been touching the peanuts, okay? Because she's allergic to peanuts and it'll give her an allergic reaction. She hadn't realised it had got peanuts in. Careful!
Oh, that was all the pigeons, Grandma.
Not pigeons.
Here.
That is quite a lot of pigeons.
I want to try pet one.
Yeah, try. Can you touch a pigeon?
I'm scared only because it's saw me. I think they're thinking I'm another.
That's it, see?
I'm the pigeon. Just steal pigeons. In my bed.
Yay. Hello. Shake one. A shake one.
They barely any of these left.
Why? He's got
Hey, he's collecting pigeons. Harry's collecting pigeons, Jackie.
Papa.
Jackie, Harry's collecting pigeons.
You're a bird.
I don't know how to feel about
You're a
this.
bird feeder.
I don't know how to feel about this.
Broken wing, that's why I was trying to get some food to it.
Which one's that? Oh, that one.
Eating, no, eating.
Oh, there we go.
I think I'm special.
I've got your specialness.
Yeah.
Oh, you are recording. Feel free to report me though, please, because it's quite good. Hi, pigeons.
I think I scared it.
You run out of food on the hand. You're moving along. Don't start having a bit of
I want
argy-bargy
more on my
me.
hand.
You.
Get the food.
Can you two stop fighting on my hand? Stop with the argy-bargy. Argy-bargy. Oh, sorry, I'm in shot. Okay, this is not a piggyback. Move over a bit.
The mouse on your jacket. Jackie, mouse on yours.
Yeah, Oz, last little bit.
I don't Jackie. The wormy.
Ozzy, last little bit.
The wormy.
My immediate family moved down to Leicester.
Throwing it down for them?
How do you get off?
And then they were gone.
I just got a bit scared and they just shouted me.
It was the bike.
Oh, it was the bike, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, we're scared.
There we go.
Don't hurt me.
No, they don't hurt.
They don't
Not
hurt me.
anyone. Oh, you're a gorgeous goose. You silly goose.
But I don't have any food on me. Got that on me still.
Yeah.
That's because you did. So they
Oh.
remembered.
Oh, he's good.
It was some on my hand.
Yeah, here you go. That one. That's it. You're being really kind with them.
That one's mine.
Oh, he's coming. Hold your hand out. He might land on your hand if you hold your hand out like that.
That one
No, he's coming. No, you didn't want to.
No.
There they are. I love pigeons.
Melee.
Just do this and they'll go.
Yeah.